everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be helping you learn how to log in to Huntington Bank account. Huntington is a bank holding company headquartered in Columbus, Ohio. The company is known as the second largest originator of small business administration loans and is 39th on the list of largest bank in the United States. In order to log into Huntington, go to your web browser first. As soon as you do that, type in www.huntington.com and enter. This is the official website of Huntington Bank. Now, in order to log in, select your areas from where you want to log into your account, and once you are sure about it, click on it. First, enter your username for your bank account. Move on to the next field and type in your password correct. Make sure to enter the correct password every time you log in for a smooth and easy login without any kind of a problem. Now, in case you forgot your username, you have an option to look for your username. To do so, simply click on Forgot Username link right here and follow the instructions. Similarly, in case you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password link provided and reset your password by following the instructions. If you don't have an account yet, click on Enroll Now and register yourself first. After you type in your credentials correct, click on the login button, and soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Huntington Bank account. That is all for today. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any kind of a way, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.